Welcome in. I'm going to show you how to do a back post double crochet. So we yarn over like we do for double, go in from the back and make sure that that post stays behind the hook, and you go out the other side. So you have the post on your hook, you yarn over again, you pull through that post, and be careful because there are 2 loops on there. Bring that through, so you then have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and finish the double crochet as you normally would. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. So you see the ridging, and that's what your back post is creating. Little ridge to give some prominence onto your work. So as normal, double crochet, you yarn over, find your next post, go behind so that your hook has that back post on it, yarn over, pull through the post, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over, find your next post, go in from the back, not the front, go in from the back, through the next hole, yarn over, pull through past that post. So you've got 3 on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. Yarn over, back post on, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. To begin, yarn over, go in from the back, out the other side, so you have your post on your hook, which does actually show 2 loops, but for this instance we have to count that as a 1 because it's 1 post. Yarn over, pull past that, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Yarn over, make sure that post is on your hook completely. Might be a bit better. There we go. Yarn over, pull past the post. No, let's try that again. Oops. Yarn over, pull past the post, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again to complete that stitch. In from the back and out the other side, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 to leave you with your standard 1. Yarn over, in from the back, out the other side, post on your hook, yarn over, pull past the post, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through to finish. Sorry, got distracted by Beanie. Okay, so let's do a couple. In from the back, out the other side, the post is on the hook. yarn over, pull past the post only, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. In from the back, out the other side, post is on the hook, yarn over, pull past just the post, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So just showing you a couple that I'm doing at my normal speed, because when you get it, you get it. If you've got a very tight tension, it can be quite difficult to get past that post. If you loosen up a little bit, it really helps. On the back, as you see, there's no ridging, it's all nice and flat. As you see, all lovely and flat. And on the front, where it's to show, you've got the lovely ridging detail. So nice and soft and flat on the back and ridged on the front. So yarn over, make sure the post is on the back, pull through just the post, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. Yarn over, going from the back past the post, other side, pull through after a yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So you're going in from the back, out the other side, so that you have that lovely post sat on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And there we have our lovely back post ridging.